Okay, so hi everyone to our November vimberlin meetup in 2019, and I will not talk about Vim NetRanger because I tried that tool at home for half an hour and maybe I was too stupid or the plugin is too complicated for me, but it was not working on my machine and I could not see any benefit from using that plugin. That's why I had to change my talk and then I had to find some new topics. So I found a very great and awesome function I recently found on the wiki page, a function called copymatch. I will show you briefly what it is and how you can use it. It's really very handy. And not to have only one slide for my talk, I also tried out a new tool I had on my to-do list for very long, and it's called dadbod. Yeah, it's not a bot about that, but you will see what it is actually. I think all of you, or some of you already know what this is. Okay, so let's start with the first tool. Okay, copymatch is a very handy function which can be used to only copy the text that you are searching for with your regex, and it only copies the matches you're searching for in your clipboard. It's the function, how it works is described on that page here. We can take a look into that. And as you can see here, wait, yeah. So basically this is a page about copy and search matches. And there I found this gold nugget of copy match. So, and what it does, it's a simple script here that copy only the text that matches the search hits. And if you take a briefer look and study what the function is actually doing, you will see, yeah, it's not so easy, but also not so difficult to understand what's going on. And I just copied that function, tried it out, and it was basically the function that I needed for my use case. So my use case was that I had to debug some 2 or 3 gigabyte long text file, and I had to search after certain numbers, and I just had to copy all of the numbers with a certain amount of digits. And I was thinking, okay, I don't want to use my IDE, I just want to use and to get this job done with Vim. So I searched for it and found that function. And to give you a short demo about the copy match function, I will show you my init Vim and say here, okay, here I have my file, and I just want to search after a number which consists of 2 digits. Or okay, this is not the best regex, but just say, okay, you all want to just find the numbers with 2 digits. So then I'm searching after that. Okay, then I see, okay, there are 82 matches, and then if I now just call copy matches, all of the matches are then copied into my clipboard, and I'm able to extract them, pass them in some file, and then work on it. So this is really amazing. I don't know why I haven't found this function or this tool earlier, because it's really so handy, and it helps me a lot. And I'm using this now on a daily basis when I need to extract certain data out of some text files to do some further investigation, or just to grab certain informations for some people who wants to see that. Yeah. So this is my gold nugget of the month so far. Yeah, I really love this tool. Yeah. Okay. And the next one I have on my list is Vim dadbod. So this is basically an enhancement of DB extension. DB extension was the tool for accessing databases in Vim in the terminal, and this one is another famous plugin of Tim Pope. What it has, it's very it unifies and made it easier for you to access database. You just have to use the adapter SQLite, MySQL, MariaDB, MongoDB, what else you have. Then you just specify the database. Of course, if you have some passwords or some access data to it, you can just pass them in there. And then after that, you can just run your query and have access to the database. So, and it opens the result in a quick fix window. And if you would like to have some nice syntax highlighting, it's easy to set it up for your quick fix windows. So it's really, really a nice tool.
You also got an example for that?
Yeah, let's try it out. So let's see. I have here an example. Let's go. I have some SQLite database. So let's try this out. I think I installed the plugin. Let's see. It's NeoVim. It's for Vim and NeoVim, yeah. Sorry, yeah.
Is that for NeoVim?
Yeah, it's for NeoVim and Vim. So it doesn't matter. Because it's Tim Pope, right? Yeah. So, T-Pope. I think I just need to install it, yeah. I haven't it installed so far. Okay. Then let's go for it. And see where I have this one. Ah, no, it's installed already. Okay, cool.
Nice.
So I'm just to, let's see, where do we have the database? Oh no, I think there is no database in here. That's very sad. Okay. Then let's quickly create one. Wait. Oh no, oh yeah, okay. So as you can see, I'm not prepared for that. But we will be able to get some easy SQLite database so far.
Yes.
Oh my goodness! Hi! Hey, hello! Nice to see you. So yeah, we just hit a milestone, yeah. We now have 6 people here in our meetup. That's pretty amazing. Great. Woo! Yeah.
He's been cheating again. Instead of supporting people working at restaurants, he was cooking.
Yeah.
Cooking kills restaurants. And it's tasty.
Okay, maybe in the meanwhile we can take a look at the dadbod. Yes, we are. The off topics are okay. Yeah, we're now searching for an example of the dadbod Vim plugin for accessing databases, and I was so prepared that I don't have any database on my machine so far. And I am trying to get this now on my machine. So yeah, as I said, this tool is very easy to access. All interaction with the database are just, is it big enough? Yeah. Are just are executed with the db command, and here you can add any adapter you would like to have for all modern databases out there. And as it said, you can easily implement your own adapter if you have the need to do this. And yeah, and basically what I would like to show you is, for example, this one here. Yeah. And yeah, it's even possible just to pass in a big query. You can in your database you can drop tables. You can load certain profiles. You have a .env vim support to store your credentials. And for some old users who still want to use the DB extension, there's even an option that you can enable DB extensions for that plugin as well, that you have some configs and setup as well. But since I don't know this plugin, I don't know what the benefit is if you enable this extension, but the documentation says, yeah, it's possible to have that one.
I think if you go to your home.mozilla, you will find some kind of SQLite database for Firefox.
Oh, really?
It should be,
Oh, great.
half a dozen, yeah.
Then let's do it. So,
Mozilla, probably.
Mozilla, yeah. Crash report.
I don't know whether
That's glorious.
because we show cookies or something like that, so don't.
SQLite.
I'm now.
Recording it and
Yeah, it's right.
Yeah, I just don't.
Is but the favicons SQLite, are there any sensitive information? I don't know. Yeah.
yeah, try that from
Tough icons is fine. Yoo! Okay, that's great.
unless who knows which websites you've been.
That's actually the back door, but don't tell anyone.
Let's look
Ah, you convinced me. You convinced me. Yeah. Let's
saucy ones.
let's go back. Maybe you're right. I don't know. It's all on video. Okay, let's try. So bundle is installed, and let's be brave. Go for it, please. Yes! Woohoo! So, yeah, praise Padrino. Yes. Okay. And we got a test database. Nice. Okay. Now we are ready to go. Oh. Okay. So DB. Yep, it's there. Now SQLite. Now I need to pass in my, what was the name? Ah yeah, so we have auto-completion, woohoo. And select count. And I think we even have some auto-completion for the tables. Yeah. Yeah, the view is a little bit awkward in my window. It's basically because of my wild menu settings. But this is just a demo, right? Okay, and there I executed some count command, and there you can see the results here in this db out quick fix window. And this is not a quick fix window, in this window. Yeah, this because it's a fresh new database with nothing in there. But we can take a look in the migration. Wait, I think yeah, schema migrations. There should be at least one entry. Yeah, good. And let's check. What else can we check? Maybe not a count. Maybe just a select star. Yeah. And there you have your entries. Yeah. So I like this very much, this tool. Yeah, haven't used it so far so big, but because it was just my plugin for the months. Okay, and this was my longest talk I ever gave, so 2 slides only. Yeah, and again, any questions or I don't know, some advices or hints about that? Not yet? Okay. Then, okay, this was the first talk. Then let's have a short break.